people, welcome back to my channel and you're watching none other than Diana. And today I'm going to do a Halloween makeover of other mother Caroline character. So yeah, the character detail is given on my description box. Those who don't know about the character, you can go to my description box and you get the details of the character. It is a very simple look. So for this one, I don't need any much stuffs. I need only my color palette and I need these buttons. These are not buttons, these are actually carom dice which I have colored. So black was already there, so these green and pink I have colored. So actually in my area the entire market I have went through, but I did not get any bigger size buttons, so I had to do a jugaad. So yeah, these are the buttons and let's start with the look. First I'm going to prep my skin. I have already applied serum and moisturizer, everything on my face. Now I'm going to apply nicely this primer so that the color doesn't goes through my pores. But yeah, after this Halloween looks are done, I have to go for a deep cleaning of my face. So those who are looking for an easy Halloween makeover, so this look can be appropriate for them because this look doesn't require a lot of material. You just need a good face, you just need a good face color palette and you need some buttons. Please ignore the background. This is my black dupatta to make a black background. So yeah, one thing we have to do is to paste your eyebrows with a glue. So you have to paste the eyebrows with the glue nicely. Have to put little bit powder on top of this so that the glue is mattified. You can use translucent powder. I'm using a baking powder, means not that cake baking powder, face baking powder. So you need to cover the eyebrow nicely with the color because we're going to draw a duplicate eyebrow on top. Okay, so now the eye area, you have to cover the eye also nicely white, or doesn't matter, you can leave it because the eye area will be totally black. Such a beautiful face. I'm really looking very beautiful. It's time to draw the eyebrows. So the eyebrows will go like this. Okay, so first let me draw with a pencil and then I will paint it. Okay, so I have made a rough sketch. Now let's see how it comes out. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है आईब्रो में. I think this portion is गड़बड़. Okay, so eyebrows are done. I think yeah, it is done. मेरे खुद का भी आईब्रोज इतना सुंदर नहीं है जितना भूत का है. ओके, भूत का आईब्रो भी मैचिंग नहीं हुआ, थोड़ा सा अलग लग रहा है ना. Okay, I have used this K Beauty K Beauty eyeliner to do this eyebrow. It's time to do the eyes, which I'm going to do black. Apply the black kajal to cover my waterline areas. Okay, now I'm going to blend it with black eyeshadow, upward direction. Okay, so blending part was done. The blending part is very difficult. So yeah, it is done, I guess so. Now we are going to draw the jawline, which is very difficult to do because this jaw has to look popping out. That also with a fluffy face, it is very difficult to do. Let's do the lips. To erase the lips, it was just looking like a joker. It was not at all looking good, so I'm going to do it my way. What I'm going to do, just I'm going to take out a line. And now I'm just going to blend these corners nicely with the line. So now I'm going to do shading from here, here, here. So there will be black, grayish shading. I'm going to blend the nose innerward to give it more natural look. Natural look for a ghost. Okay, the blending will be more smoother, so innerward you blend nicely with gray color. Now put white eyeshadow little bit on top. See, if you shade all the borders of your face with a gray eyeshadow, it will give a more slimmer look to the face. Okay, so next I had to change the position of the camera because my battery is low and I have to put in the plug. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to draw all crack lines all over your face. Okay, so like this you have to just draw cracks all over your face. So anyway you can just draw the cracks like this. So these are the lines. Like this kind of effect it will give on all the lines to give it a crack kind of a look. Okay, so similarly same thing will go to your neck and this portion. Next what I'm going to do is to paint my entire neck area to give it a skeleton neck look. I just did shampoo today. Okay. I'm too tired now. I'm sleepy. Okay, now the most difficult part is drawing the skeleton neck. Okay, so I have almost done my skeleton look. I know the shapes are not properly done, the shapes are horrible, but please, I have no more energy to do. तो यही है बस. टेढ़ा बैका हार्ड তো ঠিক করি. ঠিক আছে, অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়েছে, অ্যাক্সিডেন্টে টেড়া ব্যাকা হয়ে ভেঙে গেছে. হাড়ের আবার পারফেকশন লাগবে নাকি এখন? ঠিকই আছে, ভালো আছে, সুন্দর হয়েছে. দিস ইজ কল সেলফ মোটিভেশন. আমি স্লিম না হলে কি হবে, আমার হাড় অনেক স্লিম. Okay, so here is the final outcome of the look. Now I'm going to, okay, I have done a little dress DIY because in this character the character is wearing something bobby print on black, so I just gave white dots on my black dress, night dress. Okay, so I'll do my hair and then I'll come back with the final look. Okay, so here is the final look and these buttons will go into the eyes like this. So to stick the buttons. Okay, it is very difficult for me to make the video with the buttons stick on my eyes. So here, okay, so here is the final look. So this is the final look with the buttons on my eyes. I have made the short video, so you can just go check my shorts and you can find it out how it looks like with the buttons on my eyes. And these are the lights that I have used for an extra effect and horrifying effect. So in the mirror I was getting that light color reflection and it really scared me because I'm all alone in the house and creating this horrifying look and with the dark room. Anyways, so this is the light effect that I've used for my look. And yeah, this is the, wait, I'll put the buttons and show how it looks. Yeah, so this is the look. of Other Mother. What Other Mother, I don't know. So yeah, this is the look. So guys, if you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to like this video if you really appreciate the hard work I have put in. And yeah, for the extra effect and for the background sound and for the transition and for the horrifying look, go check my shorts and you'll get the entire looks, horrifying shots. Bye bye, have a nice day. I